Hi, today in this video I will show you how to use Torr browser in safest way. First download and install on your system. Then, run Torr browser and click on Automatically Connect checkbox. And then click on Connect button. Now, click on three dots in the corner of the browser and select Preferences. Then, go to Privacy and Security and set it to safest mode, so that browser can't run any malicious JavaScripts in background. And at last, search Hidden Wiki for Onion website. Please don't do any illegal things in Torr. Just surf the websites and do not put your personal details like credit card, address, etc. Disclaimer: this video is only for education purpose. So, here's the Onion's website. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.